We're checking out the BUENION ceiling fan. It has wind control, 6 speeds, on, off, and timer, and a mute of the audio. If you're looking for a ceiling fan for your house, indoor and outdoor, we're going to show you how to install and what this ceiling fan is about. Let's open up and show you how nicely the 52-inch ceiling fan is packaged. The first thing out of the ceiling fan is the instruction installations. Removing the top cover, the black trifold ceiling fan protected in plastic. This is a 2-color ceiling fan made of plastic blades with a brown wood grain finish, as you can see. The cosmetic cover is black. We have the screws installed, the bracket located over here that gets installed to your junction box, and the indoor-outdoor DC motor. The fan can be hung outdoors covered. All the hardware, anchors, weights, a nice large display transmitter, and receiver. We have a junction box we're going to be hanging up, the cosmetic cover and dome. We're going to take the screws off with an optional screwdriver by removing 4. 2 of the screws simply loosen, and 2 of the screws simply take off 100%. When hanging the bracket, please flip around to the opposite side and hang up. With the cover, realign and lock down. When all secured and both screws are locked down and your AC is out, you have a hanging bracket for your ceiling fan and fixture. On the motor, please remove the screws. With the blade, you're going to look for the groove and the space, and you're going to line the 2 short holes of each one up to the blade. A close-up look as it goes in. With the long bolt, place into the hole and carefully screw down. Align up correctly the blades to match up in the groove area. As the blade matches up and locks into place like so, all 3 will be secured to the slotted area and start to lock down. You're going to lift up and lock the last one into place. And secure down. The provided transmitter receivers match the leads up to the corresponding plug ports and plug in. Low, neutral, and ground, hook up. With the hole and the hanging bracket, align and carefully hang. This allows you to work hands-free on the AC. Connect your load and neutral and ground. Lock down with the supplied wire nuts. Lift up and off of the lead hanger. Rotate carefully around. Rotate around until it locks onto the screws. Simply place up onto the bolt screws, rotate around, and lock down the remaining 2 optional screws. Lock all 4 corners down. With the hanging bracket and the screws and anchors, find a location and lock down. With optional AAA batteries, the remote control, simply hang on the wall. When turning on the ceiling fan, it is remote control driven. We'll show you what the remote control looks like. Provided in the manual gives you information all about your remote control. We have the fan on and off, the LED indicator, a blank button, 6 speeds, forward, reverse, your timer of 1, 4, 8 hours, a delay closing, a natural wind speed, and a button mute of audible. We turn on the ceiling fan, speed number 3. As the fan spins CW clockwise, it blows the air down to cool. The timer, 1 hour. Center button for reversal. As the fan slows down, checks, and reverses. For wintertime, air circulates up. Summertime, the air circulates down. Hitting the bottom button for wind control. The fan will go in multiple speeds, low, high, medium, high, low, and so forth. To shut the fan down, simply hit the upper right, fan off. The ceiling mount fan. From the ceiling to the bottom of the fan is 9.5 inches. Each of the blade measures 25 inches. The width of the blade measures about 8.5 inches. This is the ceiling fan. From the top of the fan to the base alone measures 7 inches. And the fan alone measures about 3.5 inches. The fan is brown all over the blade and black on the cosmetic cover. It is made of plastic and aluminum, sharp edging, and it is an indoor and outdoor fan. Remote control is not IP rated. The fan is. Check online for further details about the ceiling fan you are after and the makes and models from the company. The BUENION fan is a ultra quiet ceiling fan, and it is a outdoor and indoor fan for your summer and winter needs. Hang it underneath the gazebo, an overhang, in a living room, foyer, a bedroom, master room, kitchen, dining room, and more. I hope you enjoy your BUENION 52-inch tri-blade ceiling fan with no light. Enjoy your ceiling fan if this is right for you.